Hi, my name is John Kohlberg. I'm here to welcome you to the Alameda County Central Railroad Society. We are a model train club that's been here for a long time, 59 years. We were incorporated in 1959. We were located in a couple of other buildings, but we've been in this building since 1982. Our membership is made up of about 60 members. They range in ages from 12 to 90. In return for the privilege of being on the fairgrounds, we are committed to being open during the fair, and we're proud to be a free exhibit on the fairgrounds for the last 59 years. In addition to showing people our trains, we enjoy visiting with the visitors where they have various connections to railroading and are very interested in our exhibit. Some of them have a relative that works for the railroad, or they may remember a Lionel set under the Christmas tree. We have two layouts here in the building, an HO layout and an O scale layout. They both occupy about the same footprint of space, namely about 12 to 15 feet wide by 115 feet long. We're going to be taking a tour of our layout, and in doing that we're going to use the cab forward pulling a reefer block, and as it goes through various parts of our layout we'll be describing what you're seeing. Our excursion train is now passing our locomotive servicing facility. On the right you'll see a turntable and a roundhouse for the steam locomotives. On the left you'll see a diesel servicing buildings. The train is now entering the mountainous area. This area is single track and it consists of about 1/3 of the total trackage for the layout. The layout total is about 700 feet, so it gives you a perspective of how much is in the mountain. The reefer block is approaching the UP Officer Special that's holding at the town of Jamestown. When the reefer block gets passed, the officers will be allowed to continue on their inspection of the rest of the layout. As our train proceeds to the summit, we're going to go past the Spotted Owl Lumber Company. As our train proceeds on to Summit, it's going past the town of Mesa. Mesa is located at the base of the Mesa Cliffs. As our featured train is going through our Summit, it's making a meet with an Amtrak passenger train. As our train proceeds down the hill, it's going through a scratch-built double-decker bridge where the train is on the lower deck and the highway is on the top deck. It's been refurbished recently and Caltrans is still painting up the structure. At this point, I'd like to show you our control system. From here, we have a schematic of the entire layout, and we can see where all of our trains are. We can control the entire main line. We can control the turnouts. We have lights that show how the turnouts are aligned. We have block occupancy detectors that tell us where the trains are. When we want to see where a train is physically, and we can't see it from here, we have 8 different cameras located around the layout. Those 8 cameras then can be pulled up to look at 5 different monitors we have in the layout. Above the control panel, there are 2 monitors, so we can switch back and forth and see everything we need to see from here. On the panel here, we can switch between a DC mode and a DCC mode simply with a flip of the switch. When we were first set up for DC operation, we broke up the entire layout into 39 separate blocks. We've maintained those 39 even in DCC operation, so we can break it up into individual power blocks in DCC. As our train is proceeding down the hill, we're going to be going through a double helix to get down to the lower level. We're going to use the monitors that you see up above that shows us the train as it enters and leaves that helix. You're witnessing one of the most busy part of our layout. We have a double-track main line running adjacent to our oil refinery city of Oildale. The Oildale refinery there has trains coming in and leaving. We also have what we call our Interurban, which is a branch line that runs into the mountains and elsewhere. Most of the rest of our layout is 1950s era. This location you're seeing here, the port, it's a little more modern, showing the intermodal activity here with an intermodal train. You see a container ship being loaded. This area was redone about 10 years ago to represent a little more modern part of the railroading. As we're nearing the end of our tour, we have the San Francisco Chief coming into the passenger station. They'll be coming around the corner underneath that bridge right there. Thank you for joining us on our tour of our HO scale layout. If you have any more questions about our layout, go to our website, ACCRS.org. You can come down to our layout here any Friday night. We're open from 7 until 10 in the evening. This is how I became a member of the club. I came down and everybody was very friendly and welcome to me. So hopefully we can see some of you soon. Thank you for joining us.